moment I'm on, your attention's captivated. Been grinding for years with no stopping, no time to hesitation. Manifesting success while y'all just popping. Can't keep up with me, I'm too far ahead of the game. I've been hitting the top and feeling my bones. Every moment I'm sitting, I'm paying off these loans. I ain't stopping, the hustle finna go on. Work hard to make what I got. No, it ain't wrong. Mind stay focused, never stay for where I'm gonna go. If I'm gone, nigga, you know that I'm in control. I've been grizzly on the grind, I've seen these riches. My flow's on fire every single night that I write. Gotta get it on me, moving forward, got my music in the mic. Just imagine what it'd be like if I had these chips, I do what I like. Do whatever it needs to be, I live for every single slip. Trying to get the cash, racks in the bank, coming in with that. Making moves in cash, yeah, you know that's a stack. Money coming in, money on my mind, you know I never stop. On a mission just to be about that rain. Can't ever be about, can't ever be stopped. Packing the bandos in these racks, nigga, you know what I got. My mind on that money, I'm the king of the town. I'm getting big every day, I'm making my way around. It's a blessing to ball, it's a blessing for y'all. Hopping in the Benz, nigga, I'm running in tall. My flow got the fire, that's a novel too. I bring in the heat with every word I spew. They call me the future, coming in like a gang, like a shooter. Can't do nothing, nigga, I grind hard and I work every day. Now I'm living life in a major way. Money coming in, nobody finna stop me. Eyes on the prize, ain't no time to turn around. I've been through it all, ain't no time to stop me now. Got my team with me, we ready to wow. Stepping up my fresh kicks, nigga, I got it in now. Money on my mind, gotta get rich with it quick. Came from the bottom, now I'm pulling up with sticks. My haters never stop, I never finna fly. Never forget the struggle, nigga, that's all that I got. When I see my dreams, I'm coming in strong. Gunny coming in long. Gotta keep chasing these dreams now. Nigga, it's life or death. If you ain't going with me, then you finna be left. Ride around the city with my crew. Money coming in, nigga, that's all that we do. Yeah, when I'm stuck in these blues, gotta keep going, gotta keep pushing through. Young and ambitious, I got nothing to prove. Money make moves, I ain't got no time to snooze. Been through these times, had to pay these dues. Shawty got different vibe, nigga, you know that's my mood. SF Dubai, pockets never dry. Living coast to coast, I ain't got no time to waste, I'm doing the most. Got haters on standby, but they never on the boast. Came up from the bottom, now feeling like a king, I'm doing the dose. Money ain't nothing, it's on to all my problems it seems. I'm fresh up the streets, nigga, I'm bursting at these seams.